Hi guys, Dan Dollars here. Frequently asked questions, what did the old 1 penny coin look like? So today we're going to compare the old 1 penny to the new 1 penny that was released back in 1971. This is the same coin that's in circulation today, however there has been two small changes to the coin released back in 1971 since then. Back in 1971 it did say new penny on the back. After there it did say 1 penny but still with the same design, and then from 2008 onwards still 1 penny there, but it has the bottom left of the shield that can be made up from the 1p all the way through to the 50. But for now we'll just compare these two here, and as you can see the older one, much bigger design there. Both however still having Queen Elizabeth II there looking the same way on the side of the coin. This side here, 1 penny, only slightly difference there, says new penny, like I say that did soon change afterwards. However the big change there, they've put the date on the other side of the coin. On the left the older one there with the seated Britannia, and on the right hand side it features the portcullis there in the middle, also known as a drawbridge. Another interesting fact about the older 1 penny coins is before 1971, unlike today where there's 100 pennies in a pound, there used to be 240, so you could just imagine how much of a pain that must have been trying to carry them to the shops. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you've got any other questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. There's a 1-day giveaway going on as well, so make sure to enter there before midnight tonight so you can get yourself in the draw. So like I say, hope you enjoyed the video guys, and as always, thanks for watching.